The M30A1, or the GMLRS alternative Warhead, is starting to mount losses onto the Russian side. While fairly new on the battlefield, the effectiveness of the missile is becoming clear. As an alternative for the M31A1, which has around a 90 kg high explosive warhead, the M30A1 is meant to cover a much larger area with 182,000 tungsten fragments. These pierce all non-heavily armored targets and have an effective range up to 85 meters. As seen in recent video, the effect of the warhead on Russian logistic trucks, where hundreds of holes appear along the entire truck, puncturing tires, piercing through the motor, the tank and the cabin. The warhead, while not capable of penetrating through heavily armored targets like tanks, can still destroy multiple launch rocket system, artillery and lighter armored vehicles, either making the vehicles to catch fire or becoming like Swiss cheese. Ukraine is most likely planned to receive larger quantities of these, as US placed several orders with Lockheed Martin for several thousand each time, while already having produced just under 20,000 during initial production. During validation of the missile, testing concluded that the rocket worked for 10 out of 12 missions with 100% reliability of the test of 99 rockets. With an accuracy over requirements, reality in Ukraine is checking out with the tests, showcasing the importance of adequate and honest testing of its system. As the US and Ukraine is seeing the change on the battlefield the system makes, Lockheed Martin will double their production rate of both HIMARS system and GMLRS rocket of both versions. Ukraine, which has used GMLRS rocket to hit over 500 targets, have most likely used between 2 and 3,000 rockets by now. Russia is starting to learn to pull back important equipment as they retreat any airbase coming within 80 km of the new front lines. However, to stop Ukraine, they need a strong defensive line which continues to be targeted with this capability, increasing casualties, especially on the ones pushed to the front line, like recruited prisoners. The constant flow of picture and video evidence showcasing Russian losses of GMLRS proves Russia's continued poor capability to counter this threat. This is not something Russia will most likely be able to counter anytime soon, as their air defense system seems to have larger problems than just identifying the GMLRS rockets, but more on hitting them and doing enough damage to disable them, making the front line a 80 km free zone for Russian high-value items, either by choice or Ukraine forcing them with the GMLRS. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.